Let's go!
C-45, John Lawrence S. Binoya. Our program is a C++ system designed to process a credit card statement instead of doing it manually. It uses classes and objects, vectors, functions, loops and condition, input validation, and output formatting. The goal is to make financial data easier to understand para hindi na sumakit ang ulo mo.
C-20, Joshua Kian Islaba. Instead of interview, we use a sample of credit card statement from Union Bank as our basis. After analyzing, we notice too much number to track. Manual computation is difficult. Balance are hard to verify. Sa dami ng number, mapapasabi ka na lang ng bahala na si Batman. Because of this, we develop a program that automates everything.
C-15, Tyler J.C. De Gracia. The system starts by requesting the username, then a menu pop-ups with two options, input transaction and show statement. When inputting, the user input description, amount, date. Parang lang nagjo-journal ng gastos. Sakit sa damdamin. Explain the statement. It automatically computes total and credit status. If the status show over credit limit, good luck na lang sa allowance mo.
C-23, Darrell Isidro. This is the actual output of our program. It displays total purchases, amount due, minimum payment, card usage status, transaction history. Kompletos regados na ang iyong gastos.
C-2, Kenriel and Aves. The program helps users avoid manual calculations, reduce errors, track spending clearly, and manage finances better.
Because honestly, minsan swipe now, iyak later.
In conclusions, this project shows how programming solves real-world problems.
So yun lang. Thank you for watching. Sana di kayo mo-overly miss.